Factory settings are PC death. Today, I'm unlocking God mode, and you're coming with me. Deep breath. Dark mode on. Let's move fast. Hook, 15 seconds. If your Windows install still looks like day one, you're leaving power on the table. I'm about to flip 3 switches that turn a basic box into a command center. Tip 1. God Mode Master Folder. Right-click your desktop. New folder. Paste this exact name on screen. God Mode. ED7BA470, 8E54465E, 825C, 9971243E01C, hit enter. That folder just became the master control panel. Every setting, one place, zero hunting through menus. Open it, pin your most used tools, and stop wasting clicks. Tip 2, Terminal Supremacy. Open Windows Terminal as admin. Updates used to take all day. Now it's one command. On screen, winget upgrade. All say it, run it, done. Your apps, drivers, runtimes, pro move. Schedule it weekly with Task Scheduler so your rig stays battle ready without you thinking about it. Tip 3. PowerToys multitasking. On screen, winget install Microsoft. PowerToys launch, PowerToys. Open FancyZones. Create a 3-column grid, or create a wide plus stack layout. Hold Shift while dragging windows. They snap into your custom zones like magnetic rails. Meetings left, Code Center, Docs right. You just went from tab juggling mortal to layout locked demigod. Bonus, map a hotkey to switch layouts per monitor and watch your workflow teleport. Outro. You just unlocked God mode. Command line dominance. Pro grade window control. If you felt that power click, subscribe and ascend to the Windows God inner circle. New secrets drop weekly. Miss one, fall behind. Your desktop is a throne. Sit like you own it.